The outdoor air pollution levels are at an all-time high. But do you know that indoor air is 5 times more polluted? Look closer and you'll see all the pollutants that lurk inside your home. Dust, pollen, mold spores, pet hair. So, how do you breathe clean? Presenting HEPA Air Purifier. It removes 99.9% of indoor pollutants with just the push of a button. Must for your bedroom and living room. Ensuring better health for your family. And making your room air 100% pure with HEPA Air Purifier.